Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we are going to talk about the DNB 2022 cutoff for MOPO round counseling for all clinical branches for different categories. Okay, and this video will give you an idea, like in order to get DNB seats, in case you don't get government seats through all India counseling, then in order to get the backup option, which is DNB, because DNB MSMD both are equivalent now. Okay, so what rank you require? So for DNB radio diagnosis, in case you are in general category, you need rank. Actually, the cutoff for last year it was 6,790, and for OBC it was 7,053. For EWS is 5,892. Okay, and for dermatology, the general category cutoff was 7,577. For OBC is 5,321, and EWS 9,786. I'll tell you one thing. In year of 2022, the MOPO round cutoff was not so much positive shift compared to round 2 as it was in 2021, because in 2021 it was the first time when all India counseling introduced MOPO round counseling. Okay, so it was very unique, or like first time experience. So the cutoff was very good in around MOPO, but in 2022 candidate knew that in MOPO round they will get good branches in low score, so many candidates waited, and this mindset actually uh, changed the pattern. Okay, DNB general medicine was closed on rank of 13,560 for general category, and for OBC 16,498, EWS 16,777. Pediatrics branch was closed on rank of 15,543 for general, and for OBC 16,498, and for EWS 16,777. OVG got closed up to rank of 16,412 for general, and for OBC 17,526, EWS 18,137. Orthopedics general category closing rank was 24,479, for OBC 23,858, and for EWS 24,012. TB and chest got closed before pediatrics in general category 14,533. Okay, and general surgery went up to rank of 21,708 in general, 21,730 in OBC, 21,657 in EWS. Psychiatric medicine went up to 22,578 in general, in OBC 27,000, in EWS 23,334. Ophthalmology, the surgical clinical branch, went up to rank of 26,510, for OBC 28,610, and for EWS 34,404. ENT went up to rank of 26,228 for general, and for OBC 27,560, EWS 24,737. DNB anesthesia went up to rank of 32,091 for general, and OBC 32,423, EWS 35,381. Radiotherapy went up to rank of 33,000 general, in OBC 33,600, and emergency medicine got close up to rank of 21,000 approx for EWS, for OBC and general, and in EWS 22.5k. Pathology went up to 44,761, for OBC 63,000, EWS 73,000. So you can see the pathology went up to very low score, but among the clinical subjects, anesthesia, radiotherapy was the last subject to get closed up to rank of 33,115. Okay, in case you are planning to attend the counseling for all India for government colleges or DNB hospitals, then you should not plan for stay vacancy, maximum second round, or mop up round. Okay, and this cutoff will help you in the further proceedings. Now I will suggest you to focus on the preparation so that you can improve the score. And I have put the videos where you can see like how to analyze the GTs and all in order to improve the score. So you can also contact us for paid counseling guidance, which is available now, and we are giving some discount also. And it will be applicable until you get your admission for this year. If not this year, then it will continue for next year also. 9319128677 is the contact number where you can contact us over the call and our WhatsApp. So that's it from our side. Thanks for watching.